All right, good morning everyone. It is now the third and final day that I am, or full day that I'm gonna be here in Silverton, Colorado, wheeling around. I'm gonna do the Eureka Gulch trail, and behind me here, which I decided to do my intro here, is the abandoned ruins of the Sunnyside Mill, I believe it's called. And you can see the foundations of it there. Some of the structures behind me here, including there's a pretty cool waterfall in that little canyon there that I got some drone shots of, so it should be pretty cool. As far as the trail goes, this one's supposed to be a little bit shorter, which is fine by me because I'm still kind of pooped out from the last 2 days. So, but it's still supposed to be pretty scenic, and you're supposed to be able to see a lot of cool stuff up there. So, once again, follow along. Let's take my Jeep up the trails and see what's up there to explore, okay? Let's go. View's pretty cool up here, you got to give it that. Check that out. I like it. We're still just kind of climbing up the hill here, but I just wanted to show off that view. That was it, nothing more, and show my pretty face. Here is another really good example of why I love my drone so much. There's an angled tram station up there. You'd have to cross the river and hike up all that. And even the book that brings me up here says it's a difficult hike to get up there. So if you want to see it, you're gonna have to waste some time, some calories, and clearly I'm not the person that's gonna do that. So let's send the drone up. It's a lot easier and I can see it a lot better. Plus, you get to see better footage. So let's go. And it's just that easy. Let's see what the video shows, shall we? I think I'm coming up on the basin where Emma Lake used to be. It was drained for the mine use and everything like that, but here is the Sunnyside mine area, I believe. Yeah. I love the big alpine depression that we're in. Just driving around, a little over 12,000 feet, you know, no big deal, whatever. And obviously the clouds start to roll in. But there's like foundations and old mines and structures all around. So I'm bringing it inside here. That sun's probably hitting you pretty good there. Oh, is that better? Do I look better? Probably not. The sun probably made me look a little bit better. But yeah, so we're coming up the mine here. Let's see what we got. Oh wow, hey, yeah, that's a depression right there. You can see where I guess Emma Lake used to be. So. Alright, let's continue exploring. Let's see what's here. The once remains of Emma Lake. So much abandoned treasure. Look at this stuff, man. How long it's been up here? Oh, you can see, I believe that is the actual Sunnyside mine. Don't quote me. Or that. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff up here. There's even another mine way over there. There's so much stuff here, dude. The view's awesome. Yeah. Interesting stuff. Alright, well, I guess we'll keep seeing what's out here. Come with me and you'll see another abandoned mine above 12,000 feet. Okay, that's a really bad song, but it's still pretty cool. Ooh, wow, that one goes way back. Yeah, I can't even see the back of that one. Huh. So much to explore up here, man. Oh, the rain's starting to kick in a little bit, but hopefully it'll pass itself. What else is there to explore? Hopefully more. Let's keep going. Got a little bit of rain here, but that's okay. I'm gonna sit here and wait for it to pass because I don't know if you can see it, but there's a cool little cutout right there. And I think it'd be pretty awesome to fly the drone through that and then up the mountain. So we'll see what that looks like. Hopefully it'll be pretty awesome. I think it will be, so. Just gotta wait for this stupid rain to quit. All right, but as soon as there's a break in there, let's see if we can get it. So I had way too much fun with the drone up here. Probably spent a little more time than I probably should have. I kind of, well, no, it's still before noon, so I'm okay. Heading back down the mountain now. You can see the mine behind me there. And I'm gonna head back down the mountain, and I don't know, I might kind of take it easy today, go through town. I'm kind of a history buff. I do like the museums and whatnot, and kind of see some of the more historical areas in here. So I think that's what I might do for right now. Oh, look, another little tramway. There's so much stuff up here, man. I still can't get over it. Okay, well, like I said, let's continue down the mountain here. Hopefully the weather gets even a little bit better, and I will keep filming, and we'll keep going from there, and I hope you keep following along. And please don't forget, if you've made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I need subscribers. I'm not desperate again, but I want subscribers. All right, later.